WCPO 9 News tonight. Some opioids are more harmful to unborn babies than others. And we know heroin and opioids hurt them. But anchor Evan Millward is joining us with a look at new research in Northern Kentucky. Evan, it's personal.
Yeah, Tanya, it is personal for the students and a professor at NKU using an interactive game to help uncover just how opioids are hurting babies when mom uses them during pregnancy. They told me they're starting these tests because they see the impacts on our community and they need to be part of the solution. Opioid use is under the microscope.
It's all about considering like the risk versus benefit of something.
In this Northern Kentucky University lab,
We need to find out what's going on in humans, and to do that we have to do a controlled study in an animal.
Assistant Professor Brittany Smith is investigating how opioid use in pregnancy and different opioid treatments affect a baby's development. She and her students give some mice the opioids in question and challenge them to what's essentially a video game on these 5 screens.
Here it goes. And one of the 5 screens will light up and they have to be paying attention and make a touch response to the screen.
The reward that works is chocolate yoo-hoo. Student Brandon Brooks Patton then looks at what the opioids do to the mice's bodies.
I looked at the genes in a way that kind of looked for patterns.
Until a few weeks ago, he was a Ludlow firefighter paramedic responding to emergency calls for overdoses.
One thing that was important for me is obviously as a first responder, you get to have an impact at an individual basis, but this gives you the opportunity to cast a wider net, because sometimes you leave somebody at the hospital and you think, what's next?
So, armed with grant money, he and others under Smith's guidance are trying to answer that question and find a better way.
Is it the opioid that is causing cognitive deficits in the offspring is like the first aim of the grant. And then the second aim of the grant is to look at changes in the brain from the opioid.
And this is where that happens. The early results are coming in already.
So far, we do find that the opioid is causing cognitive deficits in the offspring. We primarily see like inattentive behavior, so that could relate to higher rates of ADHD diagnosis.
They're using mice results as predictors for humans to inform the work of those doctors who would see people after Brooks Patton first tried to help them.
How awesome is it to be able to see both sides of everything?
Here's another thing that's really interesting here. They are looking at drugs to treat opioid addiction and which ones may also impact a fetus or a baby. Right now, they are seeing no effects from buprenorphine, but they are seeing some from morphine, which they say acts more like heroin. Some things doctors are watching. Craig, Tanya?
All right. Thank you very much, Evan.